Today, I am reviewing the eufy Security SoloCam S340. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Right out of the box, the SoloCam S340 impresses with its dual camera design and incredibly sharp 3K resolution. This isn't just marketing fluff. When mounted properly, you can clearly see faces, license plates, and other fine details from as far as 50 feet away. And thanks to the 8x zoom capability, you won't miss anything important. Whether it's a delivery person at your door or someone walking up your driveway, this camera lets you zoom in and capture critical evidence without any blur or pixelation. One of its standout features is the 360-degree pan and tilt functionality. Most cameras have blind spots, but not this one. With SoloCam S340's PZ pan tilt zoom technology, you get full coverage. Install it vertically, and it can rotate and scan an entire area. So whether you're watching your backyard, porch, or garage, this camera covers all angles with absolutely no blind spots. Another major win? No monthly fees. That's right. Once you buy it, you're done paying. Everything is stored locally, and it's compatible with the eufy HomeBase S380 for advanced storage options and expanded device support. No need to pay for cloud storage. No annoying pop-ups asking you to subscribe. Just buy, install, and enjoy the peace of mind. Speaking of installation, this camera couldn't be easier to set up. It's wireless, lightweight, and comes with a removable solar panel that keeps it charged indefinitely. Just 2 to 3 hours of sunlight per day is enough to keep it running full-time. So there's no need to climb up a ladder to recharge every few weeks. Set it and forget it. In terms of smart features, the SoloCam S340 has AI-powered tracking, which locks onto moving people or objects and follows them smoothly across its field of view. Whether it's a car pulling into the driveway or someone walking across your lawn, the AI does a fantastic job keeping them centered in the frame. Just note that when AI tracking is enabled, resolution maxes out at 2K, which is still excellent and more than enough for most home security scenarios. It also plays nicely with your existing smart home. The camera connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and although it doesn't currently support 5 GHz, the connection is strong, stable, and reliable in most home environments. Once connected, you can view live feeds, get instant alerts, and customize your detection zones, all from the eufy Security app. And finally, the build quality deserves mention. It's weatherproof, rugged, and built to last through rain, snow, heat, and cold. Whether you're installing on your patio or up high under an eave, it feels sturdy and reliable. Exactly what you want from an outdoor security camera. To sum it all up, the eufy SoloCam S340 is one of the best solar-powered security cameras you can buy if you want crystal clear footage, AI tracking, full 360-degree coverage, and absolutely no subscription fees. It's perfect for homeowners who want advanced surveillance without the headache of complicated setups or recurring costs. If you're looking for peace of mind, long-term savings, and premium protection, this camera is a no-brainer.